I'll begin by cutting the deck. Okay. The king and queen went to a hotel. They rented room number 35, which was on the 4th floor. After unpacking, they went up 6 floors to the 10th floor to eat. Just then, a Jack came and stole 9 diamonds, and there were only 7 or 8 left that the king and queen owned. The Jack captured them and took them to the 15th floor. 10 minutes later, they broke out and found out that they were in room number 973, but were locked in. 4, 6, 8 depressing minutes later, 9 red jacks came and took the queen. 1 minute later, 2 black jokers came and set the room on fire. 5 minutes passed and the king found himself in an awkward situation. 10 flaming snakes came out of the window and were slowly creeping to the king. 7 black demons came, and 34 seconds later, the king knew he would be dead in 8 or 6 minutes. 2 minutes passed, and the queen of the demons took the king's head and set it on fire. 10 seconds later, the demon threw the jack into the fire, and he died. There was fire everywhere you look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Depressing. 9 seconds later, everyone was dead. The cool thing about this is that, look, all first are diamonds, then flowers, then hearts and clubs. Thanks for watching.